What a winter wonderland we're living in today. Early April. Got a chemical delivery coming later. Got to move some snow in order to put it where I want it. Snowed for a lot of the day yesterday. Skid steer's dead. A lot easier moving totes and pallets with the skid steer rather than the loader. That's the last time we got to use this for this year. Second week of April, should be. Turn the fan off. Need all the juice I can get. Yes! That was the third battery charger I tried. Have I mentioned that I'm done with winter? I do like winter. I'm just ready for it to be over already. Snow needs to be moved in front of the frozen Quonset doors, as well as the doors on the big shed. Put some chem in there. Okay, doors. That's the easy one. Oh. I need some of that Alaskan premium. This one's pretty frozen. It's got nowhere to go. Yeah, it'll melt in a few days. It's supposed to be +7, but if you can get this snow away now, less soupy of a yard, you get trucks in and out of here better without getting stuck. Got grain to go again next week. This pile's gonna take a while to melt. Looks like the field work isn't gonna start this week. Maybe next week or the week after. Special delivery. Sure doesn't feel like it, but spring is right around the corner. Actually, it is spring, technically. Got some canola seed, some organic pellets that go with the seeds, will be good for the ground and the plant roots. Some chem, and my gopher relocation pellets. I doubt this Certitude can freeze, so I'm gonna put it in the garage here. If you'll excuse me, I'm bidding on farm equipment on Ritchie Brothers, and my camera is my phone, and so is I got a bid on here, so 1 second. I got outbid. It's getting close to new price. Once you factor in the fees and taxes. Had to restrain myself so I didn't get sucked down the Ritchie Brothers auction rabbit hole. Plus just unloaded however many $1,000s worth of canola seed into the Quonset. So I saved myself a little bit of cash today. Morning. But now I got more money to spend on the seed wheat that I'm about to pick up. Off to the metropolis of North Battleford. Get my weight here. Loading some Stoughton certified seed wheat, midge tolerant. Loading with the U-Trough UCX3 It is pumping out of there. Almost overfilled the front trailer. We got some nice bins too. 20,000 bushel on hoppers. Gonna be loaded here and gone pretty quick here. We'll get unloaded here, turn around and go back for the second load. Dad's pushing snow. Let's see if I can get in here. Squeak in the auger. Yeah, looks good. Oh, there's some nice bins. Concrete. Loaded in 12 minutes. It's a nice conveyor. Now we'll reweigh and see how much we got. Now all the seed is in. Wheat seed. Still waiting for some more canola seed and more chem. Fertilizer's in. Hope you enjoyed that little behind the scenes of winter action, getting ready for spring here. Hopefully by next video the snow will be gone. Thanks for watching. Going to see what the little farm boss is up to.